Alright, there we are. And I included that one there. Pictures, like I said, I would put pictures of my flowers. Bookmark, a tag, however you want to see it. Here's more elements from that kit. Beautiful morning glories, a beautiful butterfly, more butterflies. This is a longer piece. And what I did here is I took an element that I found on somebody's website. Don't remember who. I cut this freehand. Should have used my Cricut. And I included a tag with the little tab at the top. So you can go ahead and pull that. This up here is just a little trim. Also, you can stick things in there if you want. Keep it from moving around. And then you got yourself a little envelope with a little spot to hold things in. So that one's empty. Like I said, tons of places to write. Here's a little paper clip with a little flower and some ribbon. On this page we have more of the same elements from the kit with my page here that I included. Here's a vellum piece that is included. You can write on this side, you can fold it and keep it for writing, like a little booklet. Here's a little cluster, and it's on an envelope that has, this one does have the stamping. And you just pull this out and write as much as you want. It includes the stamping. And what I've done is just go ahead and stick it right underneath that little piece of paper, which is a piece of the book, some eyelash trim, some feathers, glittered butterfly. Here's another little, this envelope is actually included in the kit. Got a few envelopes included with the kit. Inside is a little tag. You can write on it, and all you have to do is just score and glue. So there's a few of those. You'll be seeing those in the kit. A little belly band there on the side with a beautiful page. More morning glories. Some different types of butterflies here. And this page as well, it has the more of the muted colors, but beautiful. I put a little piece of book page here with ruffled material and a piece of the an element piece from the kit, and it is a little tuck spot. No, that's not. This one's a tuck spot here. This one is another envelope that I included, and also has a little piece. This one, little tag. Beautiful butterflies, beautiful. More pieces of paper to write on. Picture, writing. I love this kit. I don't know if I'm going to be able to sell it. I might keep it, but if it's up on Etsy, it'll be up next week. Oh, and the stamp as well. It's a window. You can see the morning glories on the other side of the window. And there we are. Like I said, I couldn't get enough of the pages, so I doubled up on them. Here's another page with the belly band. More pages to write on. Postcard type of piece with the little butterflies and the hummingbirds. Here's another one. Look at those gorgeous colors. Writing, and more writing. I did say there was a lot of writing. This is another piece from, well, the same page from the kit. More elements to write on. Just turn them around and write on them. Little belly band here. I added that one for my collection. This little piece of paper. Postcard. Write until your heart's content. More elements. This one's from the kit. That one, you've seen it. It's the other side of the page. Here's another envelope Same thing in the inside. This one does have stamping. It looks like a little envelope ready to be mailed. Vellum writing sheet. More hummingbirds and butterflies. And these are like postcards. I added some stamping there, some writing. And this one here, it's like a little book page, but you can use it however you want. You can even put some embellishment in the middle, and it looks really beautiful. I added that to that. So this whole kit will keep you busy for days. It did me. I might just make another one. Here's the other page. This page is from the kit, and this is originally where the element came from. So the page comes with the element, and then the elements are separate. Also, if you like to go ahead and print them out SVG style and have the machine just cut it out and use it however you want. Here's some more flowers with some writing. Page from the kit. This is the back of it. That's the little piece that I used that I tore apart. Here's some music. Here's that other page that also was included with the smaller pages. And of course, more dragonflies and butterflies. And here is the vellum of that other page, which is gorgeous. Here's some more vellum, more tags. The other side of the page with the beautiful flowers and the butterflies with writing all over it. This page, it was in my stash. I included it because it does have the morning glories, and it just, you know what? Oh, you guys are out of frame. It just brings it together. The purple here and the big purple ones here. It just brings it together. More vellum. Piece of paper. On the back. This is my piece of paper that I had. This is the kit piece of paper that I minimized, or it is included in the kit. Depending on what size you want it, you can print it out. Here's the other side. Look at these beautiful flowers. A little bit of music there. Vellum here with some of the elements. This is actually the page. This page. Complete page in vellum. I don't know if you can see that, but it's the complete page. Minimized, and you can use it whatever you want. More writing elements. Here's another vellum page with the butterflies from the kit. All this is from the kit. All these elements and the pages are from the kit. That's the middle of the third signature. We're almost done. Here's the page also. As you remember, the first page that I really loved, this one here. I put that one into vellum. You can see the backing of it. And look at these colors. Top with a little bit of kind of like a tucky. Not a big tuck. I don't think it'll hold much. But it will kind of hold like a little tag there if you wanted to cover something. And it has eyelash trim, some fabric that I found, a little bit of piece of the paper from the kit, torn, and a little butterfly. See if it actually settles on that. Yeah, see it? Okay. Another doily here. This one was coffee dyed. Another cluster with some flowers, an element from the kit, some eyelash trim, some more paper from the kit in the back here with a little bit of smudging of the blue stamp. This one has also a miniature of one of the pages. the same thing. You can just write or add a picture there. That's the page from the kit with my element here, little belly band. A gigantic tag so you can write or put a picture, and then right in the back, perfect spot, and then you just tuck it away. If you don't want your writing to be seen, you just put it in the back. And this little piece of paper, I mean, gorgeous. I loved every bit of this kit. And there's the back of that one with more beautiful dragonflies and the blue flowers, or the blue butterflies with the writing. Just amazing. Can't get over how beautiful, and how proud I am of myself to finish off a journal complete with everything, elements. And then the back page contains eyelet, some material, some paper from the kit down here, and this beautiful image of butterflies that is also included in the kit. I did stamp it with the date of the month that I made it and the year. I made a boo-boo there, so I put some gems there, some vintage lace. You can do some writing on this side and just enjoy that beautiful picture. It has that ribbon in the back covered with this, also with the purple, and a paper from the kit as well. And that, my friends, is it. We have gone through the whole journal. I love it. I hope you loved this video. I hope you enjoyed the flip through of this journal that I have. I don't want to call it a junk journal because these pages are so beautiful and amazing. And I think I would enjoy writing in here and keeping a journal of my garden and my butterflies and my hummingbirds. But as you can see, it took a while for me to get it done, only because I wanted to make it look so beautiful. And yes, those smudges there and these drips of paint and all that is from the kit. It is included. But if you have any printable fabric that goes into your printer, that's what it does. It just prints beautifully. And then the edges. So this is all fabric, all fabric. And the bottom and your tassel with your charm. You gotta really get used to this camera here because it's backwards and I can't see. And there you are. Oh my goodness. I love that. Hopefully you guys can capture the texture of that fabric. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos of all kinds of sorts. And I will be back with another design team journal in a few months, or in a couple of months actually. By September I should have another one. Stay tuned for that. And hope you guys liked my surprise that I am now a design team member with Studio 28E. Description of everything should be at the bottom. Thanks for staying. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think. And bye for now.